Yeah, hi all. Very good evening. So, as the Shravan month started, we all started with pujas on Ashad for Tamil people and then Shravan for Telugu, Kannada, and North Indians. So, we have coming up today we have Shravan Mangalwar and then coming Friday the first Shravan Shukrawar. So many of the friends are having their first Varalakshmi Vratam coming up this Friday. So many ask how do we decorate. They all plan. Some people start planning from 2 months before, some a month before, like that. So if still somebody is not yet planned, I have a very easy plan, and especially if you have GRT Artlands Golu steps, which last year more than 100 to 200 families got it from us. So if you have that set, I have one set dismantled here, and then one set I have reused it, rearranged it into shelf which I can keep it stored for heavy ganpatis, because the ganpatis which I make is clay and each ganpati takes around 12.5 kgs if it is a 10 inch to 18 inch idol. Sometimes 18-inch idol takes around 18 kgs also. It depends on the design which we make. So those are the heavy clay idols. So you can see I have made one of my 5 steps, Golu steps, into one shelf, and another shelf I'm yet to arrange it. In the meantime, I was having a thought that this Friday how I'm going to decorate my puja mandir, all that. Then suddenly it struck me, why not we do our steps to rearrange to make it to a arch, and make it very simple for all home-based ladies, which saves time. So I took two decorative silk towels, and then this mala, okay, and then of course I made this for somebody. I'm just showing it. This I'm keeping it for my home. So this Ganpati is around 8 inches, Lalba Karaja. So yeah, it's with very cute Ganpati. You can see here that this is the steps, 10 inch to 11 inch steps, which I keep for Golupadis. Most of you know Navaratri, we all keep Golupadis. So this is that. And what I did is I screwed into 4. I just hand screwed. I didn't put the bolt and nut tightly, just because I'm just showing it. So yeah, here. So there are a couple of ideas. If somebody wants to just put some jasmine garland as it is, can you put it for me? Okay. So assume this is a jasmine garland. You can just put it like this, and then put like this also. You can tie in this holes, whatever holes you are seeing, and then cover it nicely. Behind you can put one backdrop towel, the way I have put it in the initial part of the video, and then you can keep the idol in the center. Yeah, that is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is which I showed you first. So yeah, after screwing your stand, then you can put it up like this, and then I am not using any pins or anything, so I'm just showing it to you because with my left hand, so it's easy for me. So you can arrange it neatly. Yeah, so you can put it like this, and then put your idol at the center, find the center space, all that. Then you can just put the garland around. Very simple way. You can try to use original flowers on that day. It'll be very nice also, because it's a video online thing. I'm just showing it to you like this. So yeah, so it's so simple, right? So it hardly take few seconds, right? Not even a minute. It just took few seconds. And okay, then you can ask me, Gayatri, how will you fix up the, how long you're going to fix up the time for that stand? It hardly took 4 seconds for me. Sorry, 4 minutes for me. You know why? Because this is just the Golupadi's the side steps, and I use only the simple bolt and nut. I haven't tightened it with a spanner. I just did it like this. That's all, with my hands, and I made it like a box. Okay, there's another thing which you can do. One box you can make it, because some people order 3 steps, some people order 5 steps, like that, right? So you must be having enough number of this size. You can use it for Varalakshmi Vratam, the Peetam. Okay, you can no, wait, I think it went down. Can help me? Okay, I have tightened it. Okay, this you can put it like this, and you can use your steel plate or silver plate, or any other plate also, or even cardboard sheet, or any wooden plank. You must be having the paddy which we use for prayer. You can put it like this, and then keep the Ganpati. Or Varalakshmi Vratam, you can keep the Varalakshmi Vratam. You can make this kind of rectangular or square paddy with the material which you got for Golupadi, and then you can use the same plank also. Okay, so I have this bigger one, so it is nearby for me, so I'm just keeping it. Okay, so you don't have to make such a big one unless you aim to, because you can use the same palagai also, the plank also. So I'm just putting it as it is in front of you, because the sides I can still keep his divan, Varalakshmi Vratam, the what do you call, banana tree, all that you can keep it, right? So you can put it like this, and then keep the idol, and then prepare another square. I'm just reusing the same thing. Can you take down the one carefully? No, take that. Take that the bar. Take that bar. Yeah, carefully. So I'm just reusing it to show the same thing, because the rest of the things are just behind. My daughter is helping here, so she may not be able to lift that. So I'm putting this back, and then I'm covering it the way I showed you previously. So assume you created the steps like this, and then you have created the arch. You have different steps. If you have a Golupadi 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, like that, the arch will be. So can you put that properly? Yeah. Yes, that's it. Without pins, I'm putting it like this. So yeah, if you have time, you can put neatly also. That will look nice. So here also you can tie those jasmine garlands or any garland, because your hole is there. You just need to use the safety pins and then just hang it. Okay, and then you can use otherwise like this also. You don't have to hold it like that. You can remove your hands. Yeah, put it there, because it will stand nicely. So I'm just using a plastic garland to show you. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Simple one. You can lead it to the front part of it, and then both the sides you can do. So your decoration will be very nice. You can have your own arch. So it's very simple. So if you have a Golupadi at home, which was bought from GRT Artland, yes. If not, you can order now, so that before your Varalakshmi Vratam, you can multi-purposely use it for your Varalakshmi Vratam, Ganesh Chaturthi, Krishnashtami, Avani Avitam, the Raksha Bandhan, and then Deepavali, Navaratri. Everything you can use it like this. You can use tall backdrop also, using the same structure of planks and the iron bars. Okay, so I feel GRT Artland Singapore is the creator of this idea. So I request if any shoppers or if any other crafters are watching this video, you can follow me, but please do not copy this idea to make your business. If you're doing it, please do approach me. I do give permission happily for you to earn it. However, still this idea is mine. I hope all of you understand that it has little bit of effort which we are thinking about, and that intellectual property rights has to be honored for the concerned person who are taking up. Okay, because I notice in market since 2014 I'm making different Ganpatis, and every Ganpati will have a similar feature what I create. So I have seen many people copying it without even informing us, and later they say that they are the owners. So to avoid that, I'm making it very clearly. The Golupadis in Singapore, GRT Artland is making. It's the sole proprietor, sole designed. So it's not copied from any other person. It is our own idea. Okay, and I'm talking to you now, right, just 10 minutes before this idea strike me. I felt immediately I should share with all of you, because it saves lot of time for all the women, okay, who does this kind of prayers. So if you would like to have this kind of only the small arch and then the Peter alone in the metal, and then on top of it, if you want to have a measured wooden plank for that, so that you can have your own set of Varalakshmi puja design, or Krishnashtami, all that, you can still contact me with the measurements. I can check for you with the person who is making it, whether he can do it as a small simple set for me, for us. Okay, so yeah, thank you all. Do watch Facebook GRT Artland from now on, here and there. We have videos in YouTube as well as Instagram, as well as we are in Facebook in the name of GRT Artland Gayatri, Clay Ganesha Singapore, and Eco-Friendly Clay Ganesha Idols Singapore. So all these idols which I make are pure clay which dissolves in water, and after Visarjan you can just use it for plants. You can put some seeds and then grow anytime. The reason I don't do two things: one is I don't put inside seed and then sell it as a Ganpati. It's very simple. We are not supposed to do that. Because when we do Griha Pravesam, while constructing the house, the main entrance of the house, the Nelakal, they put the seeds as well as the Navaratna stones. What effect it has? It gives more Lakshmi presence in the house. Similarly, in Ganpati, if I put a seed and then give it to you, the Lakshmi will be going out of my hand. So I do not want to do that. But at the same time, all of us have all the rights to grow plants. So I use pure eco-friendly earthen clay. That means it is collected from rivers, lakes, sea, or forest, where we get a lot of mud and it was converted into clay. So that is the one I use. So if you see, this is a 8-inch Ganpati. It's not easy for me to hold it, because this is around 3 to 4 kgs of clay. But if you buy in the shop, what they sell you for this 8 kgs is 8 inches is hardly 600 grams or 400 grams. The reason is inside is fully bowl, hollow. That is also I don't sell, I don't make, because that is also not right to do puja. That can bring all kind of disastrous things in our life. It can be natural disasters which are happening around us. We all know that. And then it can be any kind of bad omens which happens in the house, all that. Or how much ever we try to come up, keep up our step up in our life, it keeps dragging us, something like that. So with GRT Artland, the clay idols which I make I make as per the Vedic way of saying in Ganesh Puran, how it is said that how Parvati Devi prepared the clay Ganesha. The same way I make the clay Ganesha. And then I use along with the water which I use for making this Ganpati, I use all the river waters whenever, because both my parents as well as my in-laws, all four of them, they keep visiting all the Pushkarnis and then Manasarovar, and then they go for all the four dhams, and then Kashi, all these spiritual places they do visit, and I request them to bring holy waters for me. Not only them, I have my cousin sister who runs travel and tourism in Nepal, and then in India, so to all these tourist spots. So I easily get holy waters from different rivers, and then I use it while making Ganpati. Every Ganpati, the water will have that holy water also. So why we use it? Many people ask a question, what is what I get from the shop and then what I get from you, what would be the difference if you use just the holy water? Water is water. Yeah, there's a kind of emotional difference from all the 12 rivers, what we get from India, and then the normal tap water. There's a lot of difference because it has a spiritual emotions which we all believe. And another thing is the Ganpati which I make it is not a light one. No, you can feel how I don't use a machine to weigh and show you, but the way I am holding it, you can feel. I have trembling hands because I am holding 4 to 5 kgs in a single hand. Yeah. So you can see it is very strong. I have completely made it with clay. So this is heavy clay. Okay. So you can check with any shop, anywhere around the world. I would say that the Ganpatis I make is really heavy, and as per the norms which we are supposed to use it for prayer. Okay, so here is the simple way for decorating whether it is Ganpati or Varalakshmi or any other gods festivals, or even for your birthday party if you want. You can still use if you have a 9 steps Golupadi which you have bought from GRT Artland, it will have a 9 feet arch. So one cost, you have multi-purpose, whether it is birthday party or any party in the house or any other festivals, functions, anything, you can multi-purposely use these Golupadis from GRT Artland for making your floral arch or any kind of decorative arches, or you can even make chandeliers with the battery lamps, anything. Crafting is sky limit. Means the ideas which we get for crafting is a sky limit. You can multi-purposely use it. So this one simple idea, I got it just few minutes before, so I am sharing with all of you. Hope all of you enjoyed it. If you like it, please send a WhatsApp message, I liked your idea, stating that I saw this video in Facebook Live. So you can send me to 9626 4051. I repeat, 9626 4051. I repeat the number again, 9626 4051. This is my WhatsApp number. You can add +65 because I have more than 2000 plus friends added to that. So you can send me a WhatsApp message stating that you like my idea. That is Gayatri, I liked your idea. You can mention to me. It is just to motivate our spirits, that's it. Okay, or you can leave a message also stating that it's not just the like button alone. Just leave a message that I fully watched the video, I like these points. If you want to add on some ideas to these, you can also add on. If you have certain queries to this, you can also add on. So do text in the comments column after watching the full video stating how you like this video on or the live program, how it is, was it useful, how, please leave your comments. Okay, I repeat the phone number 96264051. Okay, to order for your clay Ganpatis, please do approach me. If you would like to have this kind of torans, if you would like to have this kind of golubadis, you can contact me 96264051. And if you are if you are staying in a condo, if five of you or 10 of you or 15 of you have Ganesh Chaturthi and you want to order clay Ganpati in one point, so that you can have one delivery, each delivery would cost only $5 in that case of group order delivery. So I can do door-to-door delivery also for you. The person will be carefully bringing it to your home and giving it to you. In case if you're buying Golu stands, the Golu stands will be brought to your home with free delivery, and they will arrange it and show it to you how to be done first time. Okay, so yeah, I have torans, I have rangolis, I have electrical lamps, I have rotating electrical lamps, and then I have small diyas, and then diya lamps. You have so many products of GRT Artland, more than 500 products I have, which are all with a very less budget, very small budget, so that all of us can enjoy crafting, enjoy doing prayers at the same time, try to be along with eco-friendly living. Okay, so yeah, so here it goes. Happy Shravana Mangalwar for all the ladies, and in advance happy Varalakshmi Puja and Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Okay, stay tuned for next week, maybe sometime. We will still add you with some new crafting also. Thank you all.